The harsh winter morning reveals Mia stepping out of her humble home. The worn slippers, a stark testament to their struggles. A visible shiver runs through Mia as she walks. A silent echo of the cold that bites deeper than the winter air. Hussein stands at the doorway, his gaze heavy with concern as he watches Mia disappear into the cold. My Aapi deserves new slippers, Hussein thinks, his unspoken words hanging in the frigid air. The dilapidated houses loom around them, silent witnesses to a life etched with financial hardship. Hussein sneaks into his small, tidy room, a sense of secrecy hanging in the air. Ensuring he is unobserved, Hussein carefully reaches under his bed. He retrieves a small glass jar, his expression guarded. With delicate precision, he places a few coins inside the jar. This is for Aapi's slipper treasure. The setting sun casts long shadows as Mia enters, her weariness palpable. A mischievous glint sparks in Hussein's eyes as he hides a secret treasure clutched in his hands. Hussein emerges, his voice bubbling with anticipation. "Close your eyes, Aapi." Mia's face lights up with surprise. "These are for me."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.